Will AI replace game developers' jobs? To understand this question better, let's start with some background. Game development is a complex and creative process that involves a wide range of talented individuals. Game designers, programmers, artists, writers, they all play a crucial role in bringing our favorite games to life. But in recent years, AI has been making its way into the industry, raising questions about the future of these jobs. AI is already being used in various ways in game development. From procedural content generation to adaptive AI opponents, it's changing how games are made and played. So, what exactly is AI doing in the gaming world today? AI is helping developers create intricate game worlds and levels more efficiently than ever before. It can analyze player behavior and adjust difficulty levels on the fly, providing a more personalized gaming experience. AI is also aiding in character animations and generating stunning graphics, making games visually appealing. There are undeniable advantages to using AI in game development. It enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and ultimately improves the overall gaming experience. Games that incorporate AI-driven features often receive positive feedback for their innovation and adaptability. However, with these advancements come concerns and challenges. One fear that AI might replace human creativity and result in job displacement within the industry. It's essential to recognize that AI is a tool, not a replacement for game developers. It can't replicate the unique creative spark and storytelling skills that humans bring to game design. Many game developers are embracing AI as a powerful ally, using it to streamline their work and spark new creative ideas. So, what's the future of game development in a world where AI is becoming increasingly prevalent? Some predict that AI will lead to the emergence of new job roles and opportunities within the industry, focusing on AI development and integration. To gain a deeper perspective, I spoke with some experts in the field and asked for their insights. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about AI's role in game development? Do you see it as a threat or an opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ryan Unveils, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech and gaming content. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool reshaping the landscape of game development, but it won't replace the creativity and innovation of human game developers. Instead, it's an exciting new frontier that promises to take gaming to unprecedented heights. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep gaming and exploring the limitless possibilities of technology.